Hello guys, welcome back to my channel and wishing all of you a very happy new year. And yes, I am quite late and I have been missing from YouTube for quite some time because I had a lot of activities going on parallelly and I needed a break. So yes, I am back and I hope I can be consistent in this year. So let's get started with some of the products recommendations from 2025 which I am carrying in 2026, and let's get started. So the first and foremost product which I want to talk about are the shampoos, because the shampoo has been a consistent one, and this is the L'Oreal Paris Absolute Repair Shampooing Professional. I am highly impressed with this shampoo. So I got another one in this variant, like for thin hair, and I will make a separate video on that. But yeah, I am truly impressed by this range of L'Oreal Professional Paris. So yeah, absolutely recommend this one. The B Body Wise 4% HA BHA Underarm Roll-On. Now this is not for sensitive skin, but I would say if you want long lasting fragrance throughout the day, I think I prefer this even over the Chemist at Play one. I was a big fan of the Chemist at Play one, but then I noticed that after some time the fragrance goes off, and this one didn't, however, underperform. Now the next product which I have is the Centella Ampule Skin 1004. So this is the ampule which I have been consistently using whenever I had sensitive skin, whenever I had breakouts, and this one did perform and I really like it. So if you want to invest in some Korean products, really go for this. This is hydrating, calming, and at the same time it's very moisturizing, also a little bit of moisturizing. So yeah, and it is suitable for all skin types, so I would definitely recommend this one. The next thing which I absolutely loved in this year is the Tinted Milk Skin Toner, especially because of my dry skin. I love this toner and I have emptied a lot, and I think it will also last throughout this year because quite a lot is left and I have a lot of products to test apart from this. So yeah, this is one of my favorite, and this is very hydrating, a little bit sticky I would say, and it is only suitable for dry skin and not for oily skin and normal skin also. Combination skin can go for this if you are currently in a very dry place where winter is at its peak. You can definitely try this one. And is the Marula Oil 5% Moisturizer, which is again suitable for very dry skin, and I absolutely fell in love with this one. I have emptied this one and I will definitely be repurchasing it in 2026, like in this year. So yeah, I would highly recommend. Now the next moisturizer which I have emptied, like 2 bottles, I have thrown one off and the other one is with me. So this is the Rice Ceramide Moisturizing Emulsion. This is basically a good moisturizer even for normal dry and combination skin, not for oily skin, but yeah, you can definitely go for this. For except oily skin, all skin types can use this, and even during the other seasons, except for the winter I don't recommend this because this was not enough during very heavy winter, but otherwise it is highly moisturizing. Okay, the next product which I've already showcased in my previous videos is the PhD Ceramide Hydrating Cleanser. I have used a couple of cleansers, but this one stood out of the rest because it is very hydrating and it stayed for quite some time. I think it lasted for around 3 months or more than that. Yeah, so I've emptied this one and I might be repurchasing it if I don't get any other cleansers of my choice. Okay, the next product is the Ipka Ketoconazole shampoo. This is 2% Keraglow AD. Now I have been using this and this is the second bottle. I have also recommended it to my parents and they liked it. This is for dandruff and I like it, but it is not very effective if you have heavy dandruff. So because Natural got discontinued, like I couldn't find Natural shampoo anywhere, so I opted for this one. It is a good shampoo, but I don't think it is good for very heavy dandruff. So yeah, I don't know, but this is a new pack and I need to use it. I have emptied the other one and have thrown it out. So this can be, like, I can say that this was one of the most used products for dandruff in 2025. Now the next product is everyone's favorite, the Dove Exfoliating Body Polish. I've emptied one more and this is the second one, and I will definitely be purchasing other variant in this year. So yeah, I absolutely love this one. I started using retinol in this year and I had a severe breakout after that. I will tell that in a different video or shorts soon on my channel, but as of now I want to say that this one did save a lot, like this one along with other treatments. So this one is the Quench Zit Away treatment patches, and I had used like 4 or 5 patches from this one, as you can see, and I really like this patch. Now the other treatment which I used is the Benzac gel, which is obviously benzoyl peroxide 2.5%, which is my favorite composition for all of a sudden if you get acne. You can definitely go for that. I have many old videos recommending that product. Now I used to use Peroclean, but then I wanted an alternative which is of lesser price, and I went for Benzac, and it was equally effective, I would say. Just make sure that you freeze it whenever you are storing it in your house, because it might get oxidized and the oxygen might be released, because it is a peroxide, so the oxygen might get released. So you better save it at the fridge. And the next product which I have is the Perfora Probiotic Rinse. This is the alcohol-free mouthwash. I've been loving this. I have started using it last. I do prefer brushing over mouthwash, but I do use it at times when I feel very lazy. I do use this. It feels like you are having limca in your mouth, but you are not supposed to drink it, obviously. But yeah, I love this one. So yes, those were all of the products which I will be carrying in 2026, and I hope this video is useful to some of you and you found out some products which you can like pick up from my recommendations. And I will see you soon in my next video. Till then, bye bye and take care.